In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable open web links in Gmail general settings. Alright, so I'm starting here on my browser, and the first thing I'm going to do is head over to gmail.com. Once the page loads, I'll go ahead and sign in if I'm not already logged in. Now that I'm inside my inbox, everything should look pretty familiar. Up in the top right corner, you'll see a little gear icon, that's the settings button. I'm going to click on that, and a small panel drops down from the side. From here, there's a quick settings view, but what we want is the full settings menu, so I'm just going to click on See All Settings. Alright, now we're on the main settings page. You'll notice there are a bunch of tabs across the top, like General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. By default, it usually lands on the General tab, but if it doesn't, just go ahead and click on General to make sure you're in the right place. Now I'm just going to scroll down a bit because the option we're looking for isn't right at the top. As I move down the page, you'll see a lot of different settings for how your Gmail behaves, things like language, phone numbers, and display options. Keep scrolling until you find the images section. It might take a second, but you'll see it labeled clearly. Once you're there, you'll notice a couple of options related to how Gmail handles images in your emails. What we want to do here is change how external images are displayed, since this ties into controlling automatic content loading. So I'm going to select the option that says Ask before displaying external images. Just go ahead and click that radio button so it's selected. Once that's done, Gmail will stop automatically loading images from external sources in your emails, which helps prevent things like tracking pixels and unwanted content from loading without your permission. It's a small change, but it makes a difference in how much control you have. Now at this point, nothing has been saved yet, so we need to make sure we apply the change. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a Save Changes button down here. Go ahead and click on Save Changes, and Gmail will refresh and take you back to your inbox. That's totally normal. Once you're back here, your new setting is already active, and that's pretty much it. From now on, whenever you open an email that contains external images, Gmail will ask you before displaying them instead of loading them automatically.